Three pieces of AI news today. Number one, O1 was released on Saturday morning, very briefly. Some people say it was a guerrilla marketing stunt. Other people say it was unintentional. I am torn. I think on the one hand, this absolutely fits the playbook for OpenAI's habit of drumming up attention before a major release. So in that sense, it looks like a marketing stunt. On the other hand, I don't think they intentionally wanted to release a model that does full and uncensored drug recipes, which is this one immediately did. And it was only out for 2 hours, so it's gone now. But you could have changed the OpenAI URL early on Saturday morning, and you can immediately see O1 if you can type in O1 in the browser, and that's how you got to it. So for the few people that got to it during that 2-hour window who were changing the URL pointer, they were able to see that O1 has a large context window, so 200,000 tokens. I know it's not the biggest, but large-ish. And they were able to see that O1 is able to search the web, which, again, current O1 can't. And also O1 is able to handle images and do very sophisticated image analysis. My favorite example of that actually was O1 working out a good chess strategy off of a single image provided of a chessboard. So we will see what happens. The rumors are that O1 is coming out tomorrow, Tuesday. We will see. If that's the case, hopefully they fix the drug recipe thing. Piece of news number two, a Polish radio station named OFF, is going to put their human presenters back on the air. They had fired them previously in what they said was, quote unquote, an experiment, and had decided to use AI radio presenters. Apparently, using AI radio presenters is not something that the public wanted to do, particularly when those AI radio presenters decided to interview dead Nobel laureates like Wisława Szymborska, which I'm probably not pronouncing right. I worked on it, but I don't think I got it right, who is a Polish Nobel laureate who died a few years ago. And the public was outraged because you don't do that. Like, that's inappropriate. And the radio station decided to go off the air, haha, OFF off, and come back with human presenters. So AI isn't going to take all of our jobs yet. Piece of news number three, an AI agentic tool called Big Sleep discovered a security vulnerability in SQLite servers. But, well, the SQLite server architecture in the development fork that was happening, not in production. So this was in a development branch, and it was able to discover a memory overflow security vulnerability, and it was fixed, and then it was disclosed after it was fixed. So it's not currently a vulnerability. It's certainly not in production, just to be clear. But from a AI use case perspective, it's helpful because it's nice to know that you can have some help with assessing security vulnerabilities for large projects. So there you go. If you hadn't heard of Big Sleep, I encourage you to check them out. I will link to their project page. Okay, there you go. That's the news that's fit to print. We have an O1 leak with drug recipes. We have a Polish radio station named OFF trying to fire presenters and failing. And we have a AI tool called Big Sleep that assesses security vulnerabilities. Cheers.